Nimbus Analytics is a company that is currently looking to raise for Series B funding. As a potential investor, I am interested in looking at their current revenue, their projected growth, and their forecasted revenue. They have sent it over for me to review, and we have a follow-up meeting the next week. Using Cephable, I am going to start questioning the documents and get a better understanding of all the values. Let's begin by giving it context. I'm going to go ahead and drop the folder directly into the panel and then give it some instructions. In the first iteration, we have gotten that Nimbus Analytics has a strong potential, however has a decelerating growth rate. This is kind of surprising and may need some more follow-ups. Let's go ahead and continue asking deeper questions on the current revenue and budget. As expected, the high burnout rate is due to hiring and operations of the company. We need to take a deeper look at their budget and the current revenue. So it seems like the top 3 paying customers are in the $300,000 or more range, and they're in big enterprise industries. Let's see what their ongoing current deals are looking like so that we can estimate if their future projected growth looks correct. In a secondary analysis, Cephable has pointed out that the decelerating growth might be a problem for Nimbus Analytics. I definitely need to bring this up in my follow-up meeting. And then there's ways that we can talk about mitigation and how to make the numbers look better. For the final step, let's create a summary of everything we've done and have it as notes for me to continue iterating on. And thankfully, it created the file. Now we can go ahead and review the summary of everything we've talked about, and I can continue iterating on ahead of the meeting next week.